Hi guys, what's up and thanks for joining. Today after 2 long weeks I'm again going to do a Talkhead video and I'm really very excited guys. I was really missing all of you and I love to do this, just a straight conversation type of video for you. And for last 2 weeks my health was not that okay. I was caught by seasonal cold and cough like that. In last 2 weeks I have done some editing works only guys, and I have uploaded some shorts for you. Now if you have not checked those shorts, then please go and check my short videos. I have uploaded I think 5 short videos till now, and I have 5 different color on my nails today, and my last video, that is a short video, is on these 5 colors, and these are all Faces Canada colors. Now I really like Faces Canada nail enamels. They are really good ones, and if you want to know these colors, these are all 5 are really gorgeous ones. So definitely check the last shot. And today I'm going to do a lip liner swatch video for you. So I have this 6 lip liners of Wet n Wild today, and guys, previously I have done a lipstick swatch video on Wet n Wild lipsticks. Now Wet n Wild lipsticks are also very good quality lipsticks. They are quite affordable, especially the matte ones, and I love matte lipsticks. So if you are looking for affordable good quality matte lipsticks or even satin finish lipstick, you definitely can go for Wet n Wild lipsticks. I will link the video here. You can go to that link. I have done I think I have very good number, I forget the number, probably 21 or 23, that kind of different shades I have of Wet n Wild lipsticks. Please excuse me if the number is wrong, I completely forget the number, but the Wet n Wild lipsticks are really good quality lipsticks in the affordable budget range. And it is not a sponsored video guys, once again. Now today I have this 6 lip liners. Now I am very impressed by Wet n Wild bullet lipsticks, especially the matte ones, but honestly speaking I am not that much impressed by this lip liners. I think as per the price point, these are okay product, okay, so you can work with this lip liners. Now these are available in 6 shades and the shade range is very nice. If you have this 6 shade, you can go with almost all lipstick with this lip liners. The shade range is quite nice and good. Now guys, this lip liners available in almost all online stores, and also in some retail stores you can find Wet n Wild products. These are drugstore products. Now each lip liners look like this guys. The half portion is black, and in the lower half portion the color is printed, and these are simple wooden pencil with a plastic cap, and there is no sharpener with this pencil. You have to pick up a sharpener separately. Now the formula and pigmentation of these lip liners are quite average. It is not something very pigmented that you will do one swipe and it will cover your skin. Not that much pigmented it is, and also not very low that you will not be able to work with this lip liners. Now the formula is not very soft or not very hard. It is something in between. Now you can work with this. Now the deep colors, the colors which are a little deep side, that can work much well than the light shades. Now 2 shades of this 6 shade range, one is the plumberry and another one is the brandywine. For these 2 lip liners, what I have found that when I am swatching that lip liners on my lips, little products are coming out, like little fragments. Now you can work with these 2 shades also, but you have to be a little bit careful. After swatching you have to check there is extra any particle or something like that or not. If that, you have to just remove that residue with some handkerchief or tissue, something like that. And the price in Indian currency when I have purchased, these are rupees 195 each, and you can have good discount on many different online stores. I have picked up all these 6 from online stores. One thing I like about this lip liners very much, that is the length is quite long, so it will run for quite long time, and each lip liner contains 1.4 gram of product, and these lip liners are absolutely cruelty free. So guys, this is all I think I can share with you about this products. So now let's jump to the lip liner swatches. Now one thing about this lip liner is that guys, the formula of these lip liners are quite drying. So if you have a dry lips like me, then definitely apply good amount of lip balm before using. Then these lip liners will glide very smoothly on your lips. Guys, for all these 6 shades of this lip liner range, I can see through my lips. You know, these colors will not give you perfect opaque color. I can see my lip pigmentation, which is a little visible still, and I have swiped all these colors for quite many times. So if you are looking for a full coverage lip liner, then definitely it is not the option. But if you are okay with this kind of semi coverage color, then you definitely can go for it. So guys, I'm wrapping today's content here, and if you like today's content, then definitely give me a thumbs up and do share this video. And also, if you have not still subscribed to my channel, then please go subscribe and also ring the bell so you never miss any notification of my videos. And thank you so much to all of you guys who are supporting my channel. I love you so much. See you soon in the next video guys. Till then, bye bye.